Yo, what's up, man? My name is Mike, MVP, and my channel is MVP Media. Alright, what's up, guys? Welcome to MVP Media, and today I got a special treat for you guys. So, first and foremost, I'm dedicating this channel to car photography, but not only car photography, it's car night photography with luxury car brand like Mercedes, but only AMG line, Lexus, Lamborghini, and all the good stuff you like. But not only are we gonna do car and night photography, we are gonna specialize in light painting as well. And today, I'm gonna start by telling you a little bit of tips and tricks about car night photography. First of all, we got the E53 AMG year 2000, all black everything. This car is a beast. You realize that after you're in the wheel, in the cockpit, with all the ambient light inside, you're gonna realize that you did something right with your life. So we got this car, shout out to TTC, and we're gonna take it for our night photography and videography tonight. First location we're gonna go is this train yard that they're building in Bangkok. It's not finished yet, so we got an opportunity to go in there. There's gravel on the ground, the sun's gonna set, there's construction site and train in the background. We're gonna try to get some good sunset shot and like some grungy shot with that. So not totally night yet sunset photography, and we might do a little bit of night photography depending on what wall we got. So follow me, let's go guys, let's go! Today we got the special E53. I think that thing got over 600 foot-pound of torque and 450 horsepower. It's a beast. My favorite car used to be C43. Now it's this and AMG brand Sensor Thailand. So this picture is up on my IG. You guys can check it out. Link's gonna be here and everywhere. And we're gonna take you through the whole day of how I got that car, landed here with AMG, and what we're creating with AMG and how we're finding out like location and, you know, just the whole 9 yard of introducing what the fuck we're doing. And if you guys want to get in on this car photography game, I have a little bit of tips here and there. Hopefully it will help you guys. So let's get the fuck to this and let's go! So you guys, y'all want to see what this shit look like? Go to my Instagram. Guys, I stress you this like many times. Let me know what the fuck you want to know, man. Comment down below the techniques, how I land these jobs, why do they trust me to drive. By the way, this car costs over $200,000. Still, yeah, I'll tell you guys all how we are getting this, and I think that's a good location with the train in the back. We're gonna move the car and do some of that. What's up, guys? So like first tip into my personal first tip is use a manual lens, because a manual lens or a prime lens is so much sharper than a zoom lens. You will notice the quality. Second tip is calibrate your camera. I'm only using a 6500, and everywhere I go people ask what camera I use, so calibrate your camera. I calibrate mine through Cody Blue. Did I say your name right, bro? He's from America. I'll link his link down below. Just go check out his link if you got a Sony a6500. And I also calibrated with Make Art Now. Thanks a lot. Yo, Joshua. Let's work together. And with that calibration, it's gonna make your camera a lot. It brings up a lot of you know, the colors that you want and don't want. Your lights, your gamma, your blacks, and your white, which is highlights and shadows. I find it much better after calibration. If you don't believe me, or if you do, go check my Instagram. My camera can see in the dark. Hope it don't fucking fall. Everything for a good shot, guys. Find your angle. Hi, Dave.
Okay, let's go.
You gotta be fit, man. The BOLING P1, I recommend you get this.
Let me get one shot.
Without?
Yeah, just come out for 1 second.
So like I said, this is so bright. It's called the BOLING P1 and I specialize in night photography, guys. So you know, anything with light painting and all that stuff. I actually got the fiber optic light painting thing inside of the car, and we're gonna do some detail shot with it later. But now we're gonna take, it's fucking dark over here, man. I light up the background, I'm gonna light up the foreground, the car is gonna be in the middle, and we're gonna fucking light it up and make it lit, you know what I mean? Because the company is called Lit by MVP. Link below. And yeah, check out the shot. We good? Hey babe, I got you a new car. I hope you like it. It's a big, yeah, I know family car gotta be big, so I got you an E53. Here you go. Gotta get the car washed, and then we're gonna do the city.
Alright guys, so that was the first location. The sun didn't really have the golden sun color as much as I like, but we did got some night shot totally with darkness. You'll see the silhouette of a car and the light that I use, which I'm gonna tell you guys later what light source that I use and the camera setting. Today will just be kind of like the introduction of the night photography light painting thing, and I'll go in depth with it more along as you guys are starting to subscribe on my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ask me a lot of motherfucking questions, and we're gonna do it all. It's gonna be dope as fuck.
What's up guys? So next we're gonna do this fiber optic paintbrush. And I have this flashlight from Canada. Shout out to Frank. Anyways, link down below. It's gonna be something really cool. We're gonna do it now. You guys wanna see it? Check it out. Awesome. You see this? It's a new toy. It's got all the light on it. I'll show you the remote. Let me turn it on, let me turn it on. Bam! Look what I can do with it. There you go.